Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to change your button layout on your PlayStation 5 controller to any button. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you're playing Fortnite, Warzone, or Apex Legends, really any kind of game, and you want to change the button layout on your controller so any button can be remapped, well, this is very easy to do. On the home screen, if we go up to the top and go to settings right here and select this, and then go to accessibilities. Then go down to controllers and go to the right to custom button assignments. Change controller button assignments. This doesn't work with some controllers. So if we select this, the first thing we'll have to do is turn this on so we see the controller at the bottom. Then on the bottom it says switch to the left and right analog sticks. You can go ahead and completely flip that around if you want to do that. Just check mark this. Then go to custom button assignments right here. And you can see the entire controller layout right here. So if I wanted to change one of the D-pad buttons, I just select it. Then an entire list of all the buttons will appear. And I just select the button I want to remap it to. Now, the only thing is you can't do this with the PlayStation button, the mic mute button, or the touchpad. Just the face buttons. So right now, I currently have two of them that are remapped. I have square remapped to triangle right now. And then I have triangle remapped to square. So I did that for Call of Duty. Then I went ahead and applied this. Now you can reset it at any point in time too if it gets too complicated and you want to go ahead and just undo that. A lot of people might do this with L1 and L2 and R1 and R2 and just flop those around. So they're using those R1 buttons and the L1 buttons to shoot in like first person shooters or something like that. Now, if I go back and I'm playing the game, well, if I ever want to disable this, all I have to do is uncheckmark this and everything will be saved. So once I bring this back up online here, I can see on the bottom my custom button layout. So it's square and triangle that are still remapped. So it's not going to forget it if you go ahead and uncheckmark this. So when I'm playing some games, you know, if it's like a racing game, I'll uncheckmark it, and then when I jump back into like a first-person shooter like Modern Warfare or Vanguard, I'll checkmark it again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.